I moved out of Delhi a few months ago, where I kind of completed my visual design. I come from a traditional stone sculptor's family, and this kind of gave me a chance to bring in technology and then fuse it with art. So here I am conducting my first workshop in 3D printing and digital fabrication. So the whole point of having the workshop is to kind of have a conglomeration of both engineers, designers, artists in one community where they can collaborate with each other. The ideas can flow between engineers and artists, creative designers and engineers. So the workshop acts as a bounded adhesive, bringing everyone together to one community, and then this community could foster more ideas and more projects in the social arena. Especially in Hyderabad, I see there's a lack of community of creatives. So I said I needed to create this community which is vibrant, which embraces technology and the latest sources that are available in the present day. So that triggered me in creating this workshop. The workshop basically is an introduction to 3D printing and what the 3D printing is capable of doing in today's life, and who all can use it for different applications, be it art. As I'm a sculptor, I use it to create my own sculptures or maquettes and then create larger pieces out of these maquettes. For an engineer, it is his own product design, it's his own small prototypes which he can then adapt to the problems that are present in the model itself. For an architect, it could be a model of his own building or house, which he can then print it as in his own desktop printer, and then see if it actually looks as he thought in the computer. So this is where it's a very interesting phase of technology today. 3D printing, I believe, can change lives in not just one mode, but in many modes, because it brings manufacturing to homes. So being an individual player, I can bring a 3D printer to my home and then print stuff out of it, be it artworks or be it a functional hook or a glass or a mug, or be it a small chain pulley or a bearing, or it could be anything. So the possibilities are endless. Also, what the workshop talks about is digital fabrication, which basically talks about CNC milling or usage of CNC to create furniture, artworks or many other things using a CNC machine. So the introduction towards both these only talks about what the technology can actually do, where can they use it, and what are the applications of the technology itself. Hopefully we will be having more workshops which are advanced and which talk about detailed problems or detailed aspects of these technologies individually or together maybe. I hope to see more collaborators who come along with me and then participate in the workshops and then have their own perspectives being told to the public. And here I say goodbye. Thank you. The 3D printing technology is a very new technology that is available in India and all over the world, where it is an additive process of creating an object using layer by layer process. What it normally does is it melts the plastic and then adds it layer by layer, creating an entire object which can be fully used for purposes for art, medical, food and any other industries that it can be used for. So the 3D printing machines are available in different formats. The most popular format is the RepRap, which can actually reproduce a RepRap using a 3D printer itself. So the other part of it is the industrial 3D printers, which are massive in size, which are more complicated, but they can actually print in metals like steel, aluminum and bronze. 3D printing today also is experimenting in using food, like say there's a chocolate 3D printer, there's a printer for creating pizzas, there is a printer which can actually print biomaterials, so by which you can actually print hands or tissues of broken parts or damaged tissue, which can then be replaced in the human body. So I see 3D printing as an opportunity for everyone to explore and then take it ahead in their own fields. As an artist, I use it for my own fields as a sculptor and then create artworks which can then be exhibited, or they can just be as a maquette or an initial sample which can then be enlarged to a larger scale. So the cost of the 3D printer itself is around anywhere between 30,000 to 80,000, the desktop printers. They vary between, so there are different factors. There's the quality factor which kind of comes in, where it kind of can go up to like say 3 lakhs or plus for a desktop printer. But the most affordable printer, which is average and good enough for printing objects, would be around 50,000 rupees. So which is almost equivalent to a bike cost. And the print object, the object that we print, which needs a spool or the plastic roll, will cost you around 15 to 1200 rupees. So on an average, you could print like say like 50 objects which are hollow. So each one would cost you around 150 rupees, which I think is very nominal to create objects or to create artworks. Printers are available all over India, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad as well. You could buy it online using one of the online portals available. And the printer, once bought, also has to be bought along with spool, which is the material that is used to print the objects. So this is like the paper that feeds into a printer. Without the spool, you cannot print. And the spool is not really costly, and then it is cost effective if you use it properly with the proper kind of creating the right 3D models. So the workshop basically deals with introduction to 3D printing for people who don't have 3D printers and who want to know more about 3D printers themselves, and they want to buy their own 3D printers. I'm giving them guidance towards what 3D printer would work best for them, and how to go about printing something in 3D, because it's a new tool that is available. So they have to learn the nuances of the tool itself to be able to print proper models. So here's an introductory session where we're teaching individuals. They bring in their own laptops, and then they kind of get hands-on experience to creating these 3D models. Maybe in the advanced sessions, we'll have the participants print this object here in the workshop itself. We are hoping that happens soon. Yeah, this is the first time it's happening in Hyderabad, or I should say in AP actually. In entire Andhra Pradesh, it's happening for the first time, and I hope this continues in other places as well.